lot of high drama that was witnessed in Uttar Pradesh's Noida today as the protesting farmers tried to move towards the national capital as a part of their Delhi Chalo rally. Now, targeting the central government, the agitating farmers have renewed their demands related to minimum support price, that is the MSP, the loan waivers and pensions for the farmers. We've seen dramatic images emerging from Noida's Mahamaya flyover. A lot of them are already up on your screens, where you had seen members of the Bharatiya Kisan Parishad who began their march, which led to a scuffle with the cops. And later, as a preemptive measure, the Noida cops barricaded this entire route. This led to an intense face-off between the police and the farmers. Our teams have been on ground zero, and they tell us more of what has happened in the last few hours.
Right now you can see the scuffle between the police and farmers has started because police is being pushed aside by the farmers and they're trying to break barrier. As they're trying to move towards Delhi, somewhere the police has failed to stop them. Here you can see they have broken the barrier and they have pushed aside police personnel. And right now you can see the scuffle between the police and the farmers here is continuing. And right now see farmers have finally moved ahead from this area from Mahamaya. They are moving towards Delhi. The administration had tried its level best to stop them from Delhi, but for time being, they have just been able to push aside cops and they have started moving towards Delhi, where they are raising slogans, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. And here now you can see they have been able to push aside police. So right now once again, the police is trying to stop them because men in khaki who had created a wall, they were holding rope in their hand. They were trying to, and see once again, the police is trying to stop them by asking them to stop, but they are not listening to, no, they are just moving ahead. And now again you can see somehow the police have been able to stop them. We saw that because police doesn't want anybody to take order. Kisan leader is asking them to stop here, don't proceed further. And again, once again you can see the police has created a kind of a wall trying to prevent these farmers from moving ahead. Right now they are sitting on road and they are sitting on dharna. Right now they are sitting on protest dharna. They demand that their demands need to be fulfilled.
Now, what has also happened is, as far as the farmers' protest is concerned, we've seen multiple attempts by the government also to reach out to them. And on your screens are images that have come to us earlier of this entire protest that also got violent, where several farmers from Uttar Pradesh had come to Noida in tractors to join this march, but they were stopped by the cops. The Delhi cops were working in tandem with the Noida counterparts. Then they barricaded a lot of these key routes from Noida leading to Delhi, including the highway at Chilla border and the Delhi-Noida direct flyover. So today's protest and the rally is coming in the backdrop of these similar protests by the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha, the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, that was, remember, another farmers' union that will reportedly launch another protest rally in the national capital on December the 6th, is what they say. Now let's listen in to what these protesting farmers had to say about why they are on the streets and why they believe that this is the best way to make their voice heard.
लेके रहेंगे
क्या
10% प्लॉट
10% प्लॉट के लिए
जी
और
हमें तो 5% भी न मिले पहले सबने बेच खाए अपने 5% पहले 5% भी न मिला
हमारी मांग है 10% प्लॉट चाहिए, नए कानून को विपरीत चाहिए, आबादी चाहिए, जो शासन से पास है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर कर रखा 10% पे, जब नहीं दे रहे लोग ये।
So now let's also tell you what really are the demands. Why is it that you have the Kisan or the Annadata literally on the streets? So the first big demand that has been made by these unions is that they need a legal guarantee to the MSP, that is the minimum support price. The second demand that they speak about and what has ensured that they come out is the farm loan waiver. Pension for farmers and farm laborers is another one of their demands, including also that there should be no hike in the electricity tariff. They also say that the 2021 Lakhimpur violence, justice for victims should happen, so a lot of these cases should go back and farmers should not be penalized, is what they also say, along with the fact that they want the reinstatement of the Land Acquisition Act of 2013. So on the other hand, when we go back to what happened on ground zero, the Noida cops also were forced to issue traffic advisories to ensure that there were no traffic congestions during this Delhi Chalo protest rally, but the diversions did result in a lot of traffic snarls, and office goers struggled because of almost a bumper-to-bumper traffic. These are images on your screens that really tell you that what the Aam Aadmi today had to face. Farmers completely blocked the Noida-Greater Noida Expressway under the Mahamaya flyover that brought traffic to a standstill for at least a good 10 kilometers. This caused major disruptions in the area. We also had about 5,000 police officials, about 1,000 PSC workers who were deployed at several checking points near the Delhi-Noida border. And when you see all this, adding momentum to the issue and moving away from what the farmers are doing to what has been said so far, just about yesterday, the Vice President, Jagdeep Dhankar, had said that the passage to Viksit Bharat is through the farmland. And challenges, he said, faced by the farmers have to be solved in a fast-paced manner. He's also said that it would dent the country's pride if the farming community is struggling.
The passage is through the farmland. किसान की समस्याओं का निराकरण त्वरित गति से होना चाहिए। किसान परेशान है तो देश की आन बान को बहुत बड़ा बट्टा लगता है। आज के दिन इस पावन दिवस पर मैं अपना संकल्प जाहिर करता हूं कि किसान की समस्या का निराकरण करने के लिए मेरे दरवाजे 24 घंटे खुले हैं।
And this entire drama surrounding the protest rally also evoked some sharp political responses. Congress leaders have attacked the Modi-led central government, saying that the establishment is trying to quell the right to protest, and they say that they are wanting to escape from their responsibilities.
लेकिन किसान जो मांग लेकर आ रहे हैं, सरकार को तुरंत उनसे बातचीत करनी चाहिए, इसका समाधान निकालना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनकी मुख्य मांग है जो उस टाइम भी बात चर्चा हुई थी, कमेटी बनी थी, कमेटी की रिपोर्ट कोई नहीं आई कि भाई एमएसपी को कानूनी गारंटी दी जाए। वो मुख्य मांग है उनकी। देखिए, प्रजातंत्र में तो सबका अधिकार है, सबकी बात सुननी चाहिए, बातचीत से समाधान निकालना चाहिए। हाँ, कोई कानून हाथ में ले, वो उस पर कार्रवाई करो।
Now, on the other hand, there is also a response, remember, that has come in now from the government that is being led by the NDA. Now, Chirag Paswan essentially has said that this is a government that thinks and is concerned about the farmers, and he says the centre is open to a dialogue with the agitating farmers, and he's even cited the repealing of the 3 farm laws in 2021 to advocate government's commitment towards farmers.
देखिए, सरकार पूरी तरीके से किसानों की बात सुनने के लिए, उनसे बातचीत करने के लिए तैयार है, पर ये बार बार इस तरीके से सिर्फ मार्च करना, ये करना, पिछली बार भी जिन कानूनों पर उनको ऐतराज था, सरकार ने बिना किसी शर्त के, बिना किसी उसके उनको विड्रॉ करने का काम किया। ये सरकार की सोच, सरकार की नीयत को दर्शाता है कि पूरी तरीके से किसानों की भावना के साथ हमारी केंद्र की एनडीए सरकार काम करने का प्रयास कर रही है। पर ऐसे में बातचीत का रास्ता जब सरकार ने हमेशा से खोल के रखा है, तो मुझे लगता है पहले बातचीत होनी चाहिए।